Hello, my name is Victoria Mason, and this is for the HFT 3603 class. Today I'm going to be talking about Mejia versus New York Sheraton Hotel. This was a court case decided in the United States District Court for the Southern District of New York. So in this case, the plaintiff is Tanya and Mejia, and she is a Dominican native who was employed as a chambermaid in the housekeeping department at the Sheraton Hotel. And the defendant in the case is the New York Sheraton Hotel, which is her place of employment. So the facts of this case, it begins with Miss Mejia becoming a chambermaid on October 29th, 1970. From the get-go, she kind of wanted to climb the food chain. She enrolled into a employee training program in which you went through different trainings to be trained on different jobs within the actual hotel. So she continued to go through that and got good evaluations, but the reason, according to the hotel and according to her evaluation, that she was not actually moved up is because of her language barrier, being that she was able to speak minimal English but wasn't completely proficient in it. So that was really the only setback that the other hotel personnel had said that she had, given that she wanted to work no longer as a housekeeping chambermaid, but she wanted to be the front office cashier, which is put into direct contact with all of the hotel guests. So that was one of the issues that transpired throughout her time there. So she continued to reach out to see if she could move up the food chain all the way up until June 25th, 1975, when she was actually discharged from her place of employment. The reason behind her discharge, according to the hotel, was because she was in direct violation of hotel rule number 17, which states that you cannot be in a hotel room when you're off duty, which she reportedly was. So that was the reasoning behind her formal discharge, and she filed the complaint against the defendant October 31st, 1977, with the argument that she was discharged because of her national origin and that she was not promoted because she was Spanish. So during the actual court proceedings, she failed to provide substantial evidence that she was not promoted due to her national origin, as well as because she was Spanish, and the defendant provided substantial evidence that she was discharged because she did not comply with hotel rules, as well as she was not promoted because she had difficulty speaking and understanding English. She actually, after she was discharged, she actually did take some English courses, and she still was not able to progress within those courses because it was still a language barrier for her. And in the notes from this court case, it was also stated that that in the actual courtroom, certain people within the courtroom were unable to understand what she was saying, again because that English language deficiency. So that was how the court case kind of panned out, and the result of the court case was they dismissed the complaint because there was not substantial evidence that she was illegally discharged for racial discrimination, nor that she was withheld from promotion due to her Hispanic origin. So that's the basic summarization of Mejia versus New York Sheraton Hotel.